Hey everyone, Crim is back. Keeping your aquarium's water level stable just get easier. I'm unboxing, setting up and testing the Fzone ATO 380. So this way you can see exactly how it works before using it in your tank. Let's start with the unboxing. So inside the box, everything comes as listed exactly in the manual. So here from left to right we have the smart controller, power adapter and water pump. Also here tubing, the hose holder and the check valve. For this test I got a small reservoir, making sure that the pump fits. So let's get everything ready right next to the pad of the Crimson Dragon Aquascape. So to set it up, first I attach the optical sensor to a spot where it can accurately read the water level. This optical sensor has two parts, or let's say two sensors. The secret here is that the top sensor matches the water level, that is the desired level, or let's say the usual water height. Next is connecting the tubing from your freshwater reservoir to the pump and place a return line into the tank. So here's where I do a cut in between, so actually in the tubing that goes from the freshwater reservoir into the tank to attach the bulb. Okay, and time for a test. I let the water level drop a bit, so taking out some water from the aquarium, and you'll see how the sensor detects the change and activates the pump in a moment. So then you can see how it looks in action. The top part of the sensor is called the anti-overfilling sensor, and the bottom one is auto-filling sensor. Let's fill up the reservoir with some fresh RO water. Next, let's attach the power and pump connectors to the controller, plug in, and ready to go. The blinking lights are showing that the startup or calibration it's starting up, so water is coming in, and definitely what will happen is that the water level will go up and reach from the bottom sensor, reach the top sensor. That's where it knows where to stop. And some tips. So make sure the sensor is accurately placed. Check tubing for leaks and keep an eye on the reservoir to avoid running the pump dry. And water has reached the top sensor here. Mission accomplished. If you found this short guide helpful, why not hit a like, subscribe, that helps a lot, and ring the bell. Let me know if you have any aquascaping questions or if you want more tips. And just one more detail. So during the night, the light of the sensor might be a bit too hard, so I might need to cover it. Until next time.